Okay, now my clamshells, there is definitely a front and a back. So this would be my back. So let's get this connected like this. And am I gonna make it? Ooh, guys, I might not make it. I mean, I might need to go up, but we're gonna try it. Oh, that's tight, but you know what? I made it. Ha! Yay! By a hair, but I made it. And did I get that on the right way? I did. So now I'm gonna come over here and do the same exact thing. And then we'll have the bottom done. And then we'll see what goes on from here. Same thing, I want my back to be the other way, so I'll add it this way and get that jump ring in that section. And then go ahead, get this nice and closed. I think, guys, that this wood metal look is just so awesome. It's almost feng shui to me. It feels very feng shui and it's so earthy. Let's see how that looks now. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, yeah, that's really tight on that jump ring. I need to have some movement. Let me see if I can wiggle here. Let's wiggle this around and see, do we need to up our game on that jump ring? We may need to, because it's a little tight in there. Now this one's okay, but this one, I'm not sure about you. So let me just sit here. Let's see. I don't know, guys. It's okay. You know what? I'm not mad at that. You know, it doesn't need to really be playing around much here. He needs to gotta just be where he is. But now that made my circle into kind of, you know, when I had it laid on the mat, now that we've got it on there, it's more of an elongated, and I'm not mad at that. I'm really not. I like the way that that looks. You know what? If it looks good to me, I'm going with it. Okay, so we're doing the double jump rings on that teeny tot there that connects the connector. Okay, so there we go. Okay, and then let me pull you guys down and show you. See what I did there? So now I've got the small jump ring on the connector, and now we have the double jump rings here. Now, what I am going to do is I am going to grab another small jump ring, and we're gonna stick with these guys because they seem to be working out just fine. And we'll add the strands to that. So we want to go back, and this one goes to the back. Oh, and did I put them on wrong again? Yes, I did. Okay, so that goes to the back. And then my second strand. And then we will add both of these jump rings through right there. And hopefully we can get that closed. Yep, got it. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Cut that chain. So I added each of these jump rings for each side of the necklace through the double jump rings on the top, and I'll show you what that looks like. Right, so that's what we have. So at the top here, we've got the baby jump ring, 2 double jump rings here, and then we added a jump ring to the strands going this way, and then another jump ring to the chain going that way. So that's how that looks, and that looks really cool. It just does. It just looks cool. Okay, let's cut the chain. This is a cool idea to reserve your chain when you're opening and closing your links if you can. And it does help, you know, to reserve your chain. So I'm going to close this back up, and then I'm actually, since we're here, I'm actually going to just go ahead, guys, and let me get that closed. And let's add these links back on with this piece that I have to the side. And let's see. And look and see what it looks like with the one piece of chain. I'm fairly certain I'm going to put double chain on the other side. Just think it's going to be in balance. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you ordered this particular Earthy Element Sparkle Bag, I'd love to hear from you guys. What do you think? Are you guys digging in? What's going on? Okay, guys, so there we go. So that's what I have. Oh my goodness. This is just so pretty. Oh, you want to go rogue on me there, I see. Okay. Let's see. And another really cool thing about this is because everything is double-sided, right? So the pendant is double-sided, as is the center connector. We can wear those either way. Okay, we can wear it this way, right? Or I can flip it and wear it the other way. Either way is going to be beautiful. And that's what that looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys. And again, like I said, this is going to go down like about 20 inches. That's the measurement that I did. Oh my God, guys, I don't know what you guys think. I love this. Is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Man, look at that, guys. That is so feng shui to me. The metal with the wood. This agate with these khaki and old lace. Oh my gosh. Okay, this makes me very happy. Until the next one, friends, I hope you enjoyed, and we will see ya in the next video. Have an awesome Monday, everybody. Be blessed.